Everyone, I'm Fancy Srivastava from JP Public School, Greater Noida, and this is my innovative project named Smart Seatbelt Technology, Buckle Up for Life. Nowadays, accidents are increasing day by day. We have seen many times that people don't fasten their seat belts after getting into the car. This triggers an alarm that starts beeping and stops after some time. To save the life of human beings, we have come up with this idea. A sensor technology could be used in vehicles on safety parameters. This technology will help us to save lives. This function can be used in buses, trucks, e-rickshaws, cars, etc. In the end, it's a matter of everyone's safety. For this, we have incorporated a feature in the vehicle where if the seat belt is not fastened, the car engine simply won't start. Now, I am going to explain the working mechanism for this project. If a person is not seated in the car, an orange light will illuminate. If the person is seated but not wearing seat belt, pressure sensor installed in the seat will detect it and a red light will come on and the car engine won't start. If neither a person is seated nor a seat belt is fastened, both the orange and red lights will be on and the car engine will not start. If the person is wearing seat belt and seated in the car, the blue light will illuminate and in this condition only car's engine will start. There are some applications of this project. First, passengers are properly restrained before the vehicle can be operated, reducing the risk of injury in the event of a collision. Second, behavioral change encourages seat belt usage by making it a mandatory step before the vehicle can be driven, promoting a culture of safety. Third, prevents unbuckled driving, deters individuals from driving without their seat belt fastened, even for short trips. Reduce fatalities and injuries, may lead to a decrease in the severity of accidents and save lives by reducing the likelihood of ejection or severe impact during a crash. Fifth, protects vulnerable road users, encourages responsible behavior in cars carrying passengers who are vulnerable, such as children and the elderly. Compliance with regulations ensures compliance with seat belt laws and regulations in many regions. Seventh, integration with vehicle technology demonstrates the potential for integrating safety features with vehicle technology to improve overall safety standards. Eighth, data collection and reporting may collect data on seat belt usage and generate reports for authorities and drivers, helping monitor and enforce safety compliance. Overall, this project application contributes to the broader goal of reducing road accidents and enhancing road safety by making seat belt usage a prerequisite for starting and operating a vehicle. Thank you. Have a nice day.